Hey guys, welcome to Nylons Rock. Today I'm gonna go get a pedi and try on a pair of sheer, very sheer tights. I'm excited. Wanna join me? Let's go. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and smash that thumbs up button because I know you like nylons. So I decided I wanted to go to a new salon this time. So I checked out Tommy's, booked a shellac and a removal, which is like $25. Craziness. I popped on my little blue dress with my crop top, my elephant necklace, and no tights yet, but my little Guess flats. I really love flats these days. They are so cute and so comfortable at the same time. And you know me, I enjoy comfort, but I want to look good as well. We hopped in the car and as you can see, this old pedicure has to go. I head to the salon, check out the colors, and I love kittens. The wait isn't very long and I head into the chair, and the best part is the massage. I love the massage. It's the best. I really enjoy the atmosphere of this nail salon. It is super clean and the decorations are awesome. So the first thing you do when you get a pedicure is you hop into the foot bath, and this is my favorite part. The water is perfect right now, and even better when there's bubbles. If you've never had a pedicure before, the first thing the technician will do is remove your shellac if you're wearing. And this is what I paid $25 for extra just to get this removed. So the technician suggested that I just go with regular nail polish from now on and bring a pair of flip-flops so that I can leave, because who wants to wait there 20 minutes waiting for their nail polish to dry, right? She files away all the shellac on my left foot too and starts to clean up my cuticles. This is always the scary part where you're wondering, are you going to get nicked? And I have before gotten nicked and it wasn't that great, but it never has happened since or before. So the odds are on my side. What you do to one foot, you've got to do to the other, right? So she cleans everything up, and now this is a beautiful blank canvas for her to work with. The next step in this pedicure is to file the nails, and I like my toenails pretty short. She gives them a nice rounded shape and cleans up a little bit more. It always tickles a bit when she puts in these little toe separators, but they look kind of cute. Next, she just makes sure that any traces of nail polish are removed with nail polish remover, and then she gets to work. She uses the C&D shellac base coat, which is just a clear coat that you put on to make your nail polish last even longer. I don't really keep my nails natural very often, but it does still look kind of cute. I'm gonna have to go for a color though. For a minute or two under the lights, that's all it takes. And we're rolling. The cool thing is that when one foot is under the UV light, she is painting the nails of the other foot. So quite efficient over here at Tommy's. Once the base coat is on, it's time for some color. I chose this beautiful plum color because the fall is near, and I thought let's start wearing some fall colors because here in Canada the weather just changes abruptly, and I know it's going to be getting very cold very quickly. She cleans up the edges and it's time for the light once again. I love this color, I'm not gonna lie. It's a very deep plum purple that I think goes pretty well with my skin tone. I do like to wear a lot of plum colors, especially like tight skirts and little dresses. I think I'm going to have to pull out my fall wardrobe soon. I can think of a few dresses that would look stellar with these toenails. And I'm thinking even like a nice sheer pantyhose over these. Amazing. The best part is I have a beautiful pair waiting for me in the car. I get 2 coats of this beautiful plum shellac on each foot, and it's time to get rid of those toe dividers or toe separators, whatever they're called, and get me a yummy, delicious massage. I must say, between the technician's massage and my chair massage, I'm in heaven right now. Look at that color. I am so happy with the result and so excited about
finding different outfits and types of pantyhose that are going to make this new pedicure shine. Check it out under these lights right here. You can see that beautiful plum just shining through. It's a nice dark one, which is cool. I'm obsessed with like how my pedicures and especially my nylons look under different lighting. So check out these two different types of lighting here. But now for the best part, ladies and gentlemen, these are Falke. They are so sheer, 8 denier, beautiful, beautiful pantyhose. The packaging is very sensual, and this is in a size medium large. It comes with a little insert called Leg Aesthetics, Vitalize, Energize, Shape. On the back of this insert, it shows you the safest ways to put your pantyhose on so that you don't ruin them, especially if it's the very first time, like right now. I say we get to it.
Very nice quality. Super soft. And doesn't. That smells gross.
So while I'm putting on a new pair of pantyhose, I really notice how they slip on. Some pantyhose are quite a struggle, but these are just gliding on like butter. I'm loving the shade, which is cold golden, and the sheerness is spectacular. Seriously, like sheer 8 denier and below is splendid to wear. It's like you never know, am I wearing pantyhose or am I not wearing pantyhose? What could it be?
A new Pedi under these Falke pantyhose. Ooh, they're so soft. Can you get closer?
There's no reinforced toes on these guys, so I've got to be super careful. This is why I chose the 8 denier right after my pedicure, because this will be the safest time for a sheer toe. The texture is very soft, it's very smooth, and I'm feeling like goosebumps because it's like almost like a satiny silkiness. It's gorgeous, trust me.
Thanks so much for spending time with me. It was a ball, and nylons rock. So do you.
Ciao.